So I will start now with the first part of this training, which is the OpenStreetMap useful resources. When the first time when you enter to the OpenStreetMap world, the first steps can be a little confusing, no? Because there are a lot of material, resources, and it's not easy to find the way or to find the answers that that we are looking for. So I have prepared for you a PDF with some useful resources where you can go and that you can use to find some guidance in these first steps into this world. So I will share with you now in the chat here, and then we can see these resources together. Okay, I'm sending them to you. It's quite slow today, my computer, I don't know why. Okay, it's uploading. Okay, you have it, the PDF?
Yes, we have it.
Okay, so this is the PDF with the useful resources. Well, the first one, of course, is the OpenStreetMap site. Okay, I think all of you are aware of this and are here. Okay, welcome to OpenStreetMap. Wait, I just closed the windows. Okay. So the welcome map to OpenStreetMap is a site where you can find the basic information about what is OpenStreetMap, who is behind OpenStreetMap, why we must use OpenStreetMap instead of other systems, how to give back, and some information about the community and working with OpenStreetMap data. So how to use, research, and edit OpenStreetMap. Well, it's just a simple site with the very basic information that is very useful if you want to have a clear idea about how OpenStreetMap works. Then you must know that OpenStreetMap has a wiki, that is the wiki OpenStreetMap.org, and we can jump here. And in these wiki pages, you can find everything about OpenStreetMap. And it's not at the beginning. It's not so easy to find everything. What are you looking for? But you will see that once you have entered in the mind of the structure, you will find the wikis very useful. So, in this main page, which is the wiki OpenStreetMap.org, you can find, for example, using OpenStreetMap, the beginner's guide and the develop and use of the platform. So, if you click on the beginner's guide, you will find step by step how to start mapping, how to contribute, what are the editors of OpenStreetMap. So everything, all the basic informations. Okay. Okay. Really important in OpenStreetMap is the community. So OpenStreetMap is the community, and the community build OpenStreetMap. So, but how we can enter in contact with this community? So here you find some information how to join the join the community, you know. And there is a forum, there is a question and answer site. For example, there are a lot of mailing lists, but we will see the mailing list in the video in more advanced, the more advanced training session and how to use it. So we can communicate with the other users, and there are some content channels. So if you want to keep in touch with the community, you can just look here and find the best way for you to enter in contact. So also there are a lot of events like mapathons, but for example also once per year we have the State of the Map, which is the big annual conference, international conference of the OpenStreetMap, and there you can find all the community, you know. And this year, the State of the Map, as due to the COVID-19, will be held online. So you can find some information here if you want to join. So here, SOTME, yes, in this page, State of the Map 2020, and you can find the information about the conference. It's on 4 and 5 July. Okay, so also a good method to join the community, for example, is to find the mappers who are mapping near you. And so you can contact those mappers, for example, using, as we were saying last time, using my message here, your your email box here on OpenStreetMap. Okay, so the inbox in OpenStreetMap, and you can write to the other users. And this last one link in the general part, we have the OpenStreetMap help forum. It's really useful because here you can ask your questions about OpenStreetMap. Is there are many people there just replying, and there are also a lot of questions. So maybe the questions that you are looking for are have an answer yet. So I invite you to use this super helpful link with the questions and answers. Okay, then about the editors. So last time we have seen that the basic editor is ID, and today we will see the other editor, which is JOSM. Okay, I have put the link to the guide for JOSM also here, so that at the end of the day today you can just go there and see if you have some questions. So the site is learnosm.org, and so you see, so the site is this one, learnosm.org, and I have put you the link to the beginner's guide, and here you can find all the information. So the introduction, what is OpenStreetMap, the ID editor, so what we have done last time, how to draw points, lines, and polygons, so everything about the ID editor. And also we have the guide for JOSM, so that you can find here everything you need to start your mapping without any problem. Okay, so yes, we have seen these three right now on LearnOSM. So the beginner's guide with all the information, ID editor with all the information of this editor, and the JOSM guide. Okay, and last one thing, it's about our group, our community, about the Unite Maps initiative. So, you know, when if you are working on OpenStreetMap with a project, or you have your user page, for example, you can open the wiki openstreetmap.org page and just tell all the others what you are doing. And so here you can find our page of the Unite Maps initiative with all the information about our project. Okay, and also related with this page, you can enter the UN Mappers community, our page, so that here you can find who we are, how to join us, a brief introduction to the mapping. So with getting started, jobs, and the hot tasking manager that we will see in the next lessons, our events. So the projects that we have open to the community, where you can work and you can help us, and where the community is working, the leaderboard, and we will see right now, and how to get in touch with us with all the links to our social media channels. And for example, this is nice. This is the leaderboard that Michael made, and here you can find some statistics about our work. And in the three countries where we are working, so in Central African Republic, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Somalia. And for example, you can see the leaderboard. So which users are the most active in each country in our projects. So these are some beginners resources, so that you can enter OpenStreetMap world with confidence and feeling that you are understanding where you are and where you want to go. Okay, I have finished my presentation. So if you have any questions about this, I'm here.